Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and now I can show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Okay, at the very beginning, remember one rule. If you don't want to damage your USB charging port, never use metal objects to clean the connector. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Firstly, you need to take the cover off, if you have. Then take the brush in your hand and insert the one part of the brush into the connector. Then just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.